improve us and make us better. So yeah, I was really
about the product?
well. My first impression was first I was very impressed with the first one already, and then learning that they were working on this new product. It's when you innovate something, it means the first one really worked. So, and they told me the stories also on how well loved Soft Glow is by the people who buy it online, especially on e-commerce, and it's really such a hit. And I was very impressed by that. But also, yung sa entrepreneurial journey ni Miss John, I was also very impressed with that. And that this is like a Filipino brand, right? Like, beauty is a category that is very well thought of by Filipinas. We're always trying to look for products that can make us better. Not necessarily change us, but just improve us and make us better. So yeah, I was really happy with it.
Thank you so much. We know you're one to really love local, so we totally appreciate your support for being a local brand. Another question for you, Ms. Pia. How do you practice the idea that beauty is more?
Well, I like this campaign because it already talks about something that is on everybody's mind. Like, beauty isn't just like physical pagandahan na lang. It's really more than that. So when we were doing the campaign, we talked about what beauty is more means, and ang dami kasing pwedeng interpretation sa kanya. Like, it can be, finding purpose and heart in like what you do. It could also be finding the confidence even on the days na you're a little unsure of yourself. It could also be removing the mold of perfection and like having your own idea of what beautiful is. So I like that it could mean so many, it's very broad, like it could mean a lot of things. But the general idea is that you can always be better. Yeah.
Agree. And I really think that every woman should walk through life with the mindset that I want to be more today. I want to be better today. I want to be a better version of myself today. Right, Ms. Jonah, the next question is for you. Fast talk time. Soft Glow or Soft Glow Plus?
Soft Glow Plus.
Yes. Okay, I love that. Ms. Jonah, what made Ms. Pia the perfect choice as ambassador for Soft Glow Plus?
Well, she was a dream. She's still a dream. Actually, this campaign is actually one of our vision that comes to life. And I think Pia not only represents Philippines, but she represented how to be confident in your own way. And that's what the New Moon stands for as well. So you are beautiful in your own way, you are confident, and you are great in your own way. And that's why Pia was chosen as our ambassador. It's because she stands with the same values as our brand.
I love that. Thank you so much. A round of applause for these ladies, please. Now, Ms. Pia and Ms. Jonah, I have a couple more questions from our media friends. So, Ms. Pia, this is from Nika Sablo from Push. What does it mean to you to represent a brand like New Moon, and how do you feel stepping into the role as New Moon's newest ambassador?
I mean, what I also really love is I've gotten to know the team more, like sila Howie and sila Miss Jonah and the rest of the team, and they all work so well and they're so happy like working together, and that's a great sign that it's a close family, that everybody has the same goals and everybody is happy working there. So that was one of them, and I, like what I mentioned earlier, I'm always trying to look for products that can help me get better. Honestly, years ago, I wasn't looking for collagen or supplements yet when it comes to parang sa skin. Like usually, talagang literal vitamins, ganon. But then I realized that, especially as I'm getting more matured, like I'm looking for like ways to help, like to improve myself and to feel better and look better. And so I've started looking for products that can really help me with that. So gusto ko holistic, na hindi lang yung mga skin treatments, hindi lang yung makeup, hindi lang nice hair, but also something that I can take daily. And then I discovered the other range as well. I know we're here for Soft Glow Plus, but I also really like the others. And depends on what you need. Yeah, so I urge you guys to have a look at the others as well.
Narinig niyo yun, I urge you guys, you have to try all the other New Moon products, not just Soft Glow Plus, because Miss Pia really believes in all those other products too. Miss Pia, what made you confident that this partnership aligns with your personal values? Like, what was, for example, a non-negotiable before you said yes?
That I have to try it. Yun muna, like I have to be a user of the brand before I'm able to come up on stage and testify and talk about it. So we took some time actually. I know we did the contract signing just now, but then I've been with them we've known each other for like more than a month now, and we've been like talking already for a while. And I've tried the products before it launched. So that's my non-negotiable. I always want to be using what I promote or what I endorse, and that it's safe, that it's effective, and yeah, that it works.
Yes.
That's very important.
Yes, lalo na it's a supplement, diba? And you have a lot of young followers online. It's so important that they trust you. And can I just share, I have been trusting you and your recommendations since I was 14.
Oh my God.
14! Thank you so much, Miss Kia. That was a question from Oski Recobar. Thank you so much for that question, Oski. Miss Jonah, this is my question for you from Marin Plaza from Stylish Magazine. What beauty or wellness gap did you see in the market that New Moon was specifically designed to fill?
So in 2025, we figured that the customer behavior shifted. So from taking so many supplements down to only one, because so nowadays we're very busy and stressed with our life. And I think it's better to have a supplement that can really support the things that you do. And New One Soft Glow Plus was reinvented for us to have a better supplement that we can take once a day. So when you see the ingredients thoroughly, so it composes of all the antioxidants that you need to fight stress. Not only for skin brightening or whitening or whichever, but it helps your body to digest more and to detoxify all the toxins in your body. And that's why it's the reason why we reinvented, because we want something that is fast food, at the same time is convenient to everyone.
Thank you, Ms. Jonah. We had our dietitian a while ago, Ms. Mary Rose over there, talk about how not all glutathione or any supplements are one and the same in the market. So what distinguishes Soft Glow Plus from the rest of the products on the market? This is a question from Ronald Lin from GMA.
Yeah, so the usual glutathione form in the market is L-glutathione. S-acetyl actually exceeded the L-glutathione when it comes to efficiency and absorption. So we actually leveled up from 100 mg of our Soft Glow up to 200 mg. Which makes it better, more absorbent, and of course, it benefits your body doubled. So it differs from the glutathione that are existing in the market. It's because one, it is the form of the bioavailability, not to mention how effective it was when mixed with collagen, black pepper, tomato extract. So I think that's the proprietary.
Thank you so much, Hallie, for that.
Yes. So that blend is actually one of the most unique blend of glutathione in the local market that you will see first in you.
It's really one-of-one now, Ms. Jonah.
Yes.
Thank you so much for that, Ms. Jonah. Ms. Pia, one more question. Let's steer away from the whole supplement talk naman. Ibabalik ito sa Miss Universe stage mo. What is one beauty standard you wish society would change and why? And what advice would you give to young girls struggling with confidence? Because we all know that's an issue nowadays and a lot of young girls really struggle with confidence. So what advice would you give them?
You know, medyo sakto yung question mo because just a few days ago I did a talk about beauty also, like unfiltered beauty and what it means to work in an industry where you're measured by beauty, ganyan. And this was actually asked to me as well, and I timely din siya dahil magpapasko na. I think something that we can let go is yung unang bati natin sa isa't isa, yung mga itsura natin. Like, uy, bumayat ka, or uy, ganyan. Like, I know it's like part of our, nakasanayan na, but it also, like, it makes women or anybody feel like a little certain way, you know what I mean? So, instead of saying yung bati natin sa isa't isa is our physical looks, I think unahin muna natin kumustahin ang isa't isa. Like, uy, kumusta ka? Okay ka ba? How's your job? Like, how's family? How are you? Like, di ba? And then, let's talk about glam later on. I think that's something that nakasanayan kasi natin yon growing up, but then we're aware now we can kind of like stop that generational thing going on. So I think that would be my wish for this Christmas. Lalo na there's so many family gatherings now. So, yun.
Isn't that so perfect?
Yes,
Isn't that just so perfectly connected to confidently beautiful with a heart? I mean, with everybody that we face and talk to nowadays, it's so important that we remember our hearts. No, Miss, wow, pala mo naman naki-resonate na ako kay Pia dito, guys. Thank you so much, Miss Janelle Lorizano, for that question from Phil Star. For Miss Pia again, you've reinvented yourself from actress to Miss Universe to fashion icon to author. How does wellness help you stay grounded through all these phases?
I mean, it's the most important thing. I won't be able to go to work and enjoy going to work and keep doing what I'm doing if I'm not healthy, like if I'm not taking care of myself. I always say, like, your body is like a machine. Like, you have to make sure it's running well, and then you're fueling it with the right, with the right food, the right kind of rest, the right kind of supplements if you need it. And that's how you can keep giving more of yourself at work, at home, with your loved ones. So I think wellness has, it used to not be the number one to me, as when we're young, hindi naman yun yung priority, di ba? But then now I like that it's being talked about more, and there's more attention to how we can live. We can be beautiful, but also live very healthy. And uso na siya ngayon, which I like. Yeah.
It's so important that we fill up our cup first. No?
Yes.
Not just
Yeah.
superficially, but totally fill our cup from within. No?
Mm-hmm.
This is my last question for tonight for you, Miss Jonah. This is from Donjo from Pep. For Miss Jonah, after releasing a new line of New Moon products, what can we expect in 2026?
Well, one of the core of New Moon is to elevate all our best sellers. So you're gonna expect the more elevated of our line. And of course, since New Moon is here to answer top of our health and wellness situations or worries. So we're gonna have more products to answer the pain points of being a woman. So it's actually our core to, to improve our health at the same time to maintain our beauty. So more products, more partnership, more collaborations, and more projects.
Yes. Miss Jonah, I said a while ago na it's so easy for New Moon's products to be talked about so well on social media kasi may purpose nga kayo.
Yes.
You always have a purpose. And if you could say that in one sentence, what is New Moon's purpose?
Empowerment.
Empowerment. I asked for one sentence, she gave me one word.
Okay.
Sorry.
Just
I love
empowerment.
that empowerment. Thank you so much, Miss Jonah and Miss
Yeah,
Pia.
a round of